If Gmail is showing error code 103, don't worry. This is usually a temporary connection, login, or sync issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot the problem, clear out anything that's blocking Gmail, and get your inbox loading properly again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, before changing anything on your browser or device, check whether Gmail is having a service issue. Open your browser and go to the Google Workspace status dashboard. This is the fastest way to confirm if Gmail itself is down or experiencing problems on Google's side. If you see an issue reported there, then the error may not be on your device at all. In that case, the best move is to wait and try again later. If Gmail services are working normally, the next step is to refresh Gmail directly. Open Gmail in your browser and reload the page. Sometimes error code 103 appears because the session got stuck or the page didn't load correctly. A simple refresh can force Gmail to reconnect and clear out a temporary loading problem. If Gmail opens normally after refreshing, then the issue may have been temporary. If the problem continues, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Gmail signing in or syncing properly. On most browsers, click the three-dot menu, go to Delete Browsing Data, and make sure you clear cached images and files. You do not always need to delete everything, but cached data is one of the most common causes of Gmail errors like this. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely and reopen Gmail. If you still see the error, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security add-ons, can interfere with Gmail loading correctly. Open the browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or other suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, go back to Gmail and test it again. If Gmail starts working, one of those extensions was the cause. At this point, if Gmail is still showing error code 103, try opening it in a private or incognito window. This can help you quickly test whether the issue is related to cached data, cookies, or a browser extension. If Gmail works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the problem is coming from your regular browser session, not from Gmail itself. You should also make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can cause Gmail to fail while loading or signing in. If needed, reconnect to Wi-Fi, restart your router, or switch to a different network and test again. Since this error is often linked to temporary connection problems, a stable connection can make a big difference. If you've followed all of these steps and Gmail still isn't working, sign out of your Google account and sign back in again. Sometimes the session itself becomes blocked or outdated, and logging out and back in can reset the connection. After that, try Gmail once more and see if the error is gone. So to quickly recap, first check the Gmail service status, then refresh Gmail. Clear your browser cache, disable extensions, and confirm your internet connection is stable. In most cases, one of these steps will fix Gmail error code 103 and get everything working again. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.